Welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode is going to be the installation of the Weather-Tech Lamp Guards. They are vehicle specific. They are made specifically for your year, make, and model. I will be installing them on my 2019 All-Star Silverado. My particular set comes with 3 pieces for each side: headlamp, driving light, and turn signal. So let's get on with the installation. I purchased the lamp guards from Weather-Tech.com for $69.95, and $20 for their installation kit. Consists of slip solution and prep and tack solution. First thing you're going to need to do is to clean all 3 lenses. First thing, open the hood. Now, if you don't purchase the 2-bottle kit from Weather-Tech, you can still use rubbing alcohol and then make up your own soap to water solution. But this is a better idea. So this here is the prep and tack solution. Now for the cleaning. This is their prep and tack solution. Now what you're going to want to do is make sure that you have the right ones for the right side. The writing should be on the bottom, so that's that one. That would go there. And that's for the upper, so the writing is always on the bottom so you can read it. So now what you're going to want to do is take the slip solution, spray it on the lamp guard. And you're also going to want to spray it on your fingers. And then peel the lamp guard from its protective sheet and spray the back of the lamp guard with that slip solution. And then you just place it on here, like so. You're going to take the squeegee and just squeegee out all the air bubbles. And just squeegee out all the air bubbles. And now for the turn signal. Okay. You don't want to remove it probably more than a couple times if you have to. It's better if you don't remove it at all. Just squeegee it out like you did on the top one. So after you get it squeegeed on, just make sure that you get the edge really good. There, that's it. The driver's side is complete. I have all 3 lens protectors on. Now during the installation process, you're going to want to make sure that you use plenty of the slip solution. Spray the lens, the back of the lens protector, your fingertips. Spray it liberally. Don't use it sparingly. And you're going to want to make sure that you don't remove the protective covers more than 2 times during the installation process, because it will mess up the adhesive on the back of these. And from what I can see, I did it perfect because I don't see any bubbles or streak mark. And now they're going to protect my expensive lenses from bugs and chips and maybe small pebbles. And it should keep the lenses from turning that yellow color that all these lenses do after years. I've seen a truck that was 2 years old that had yellowing lenses. So this should work. Well, that's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the installation of the Weather-Tech lamp guards. If you like this video, hit like, hit the subscribe button, and you'll get notifications as new videos come out. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day. Thank you. Welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode is going to be the installation of the Weather-Tech lamp guards. They are and 2 bottles of their I purchased the Weather-Tech lamp guards from that sun's really fucking in my eyes. Son of a bitch. I purchased these from I did it right. One more. Well, that's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the installation of the Weather-Tech lamp guards. I think they look pretty good, just like my hood guard here and all the other crap I bought for my truck. Well, that's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the installation of the Weather-Tech. I gotta get my fucking sunglasses. Fuck. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day, and man, it's going to be another hot day today. I'm already sweating, and I only had to do 6 lamp guards. Anyway, I'm going to do one more take on this.